Initially, when SAP started with cloud platform, they were also offering infrastructure as a service, but soon they realized that they are not good at it. So what they did is they approached to other infrastructure as a service providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. SAP asked these companies, "Hey, your infrastructure is very good. Could you please provide your infrastructure to us? And we have our new environment as a platform as a service." Then Amazon, Microsoft, and Google Cloud said to SAP that you need to go to Cloud Foundry. They provide a set of guidelines that will help you to make your platform as a service compatible with us so that you can integrate with us. Then SAP said, "We cannot change our new environment. We are good at our platform as a service. But what we can do is we will create a new environment, Cloud Foundry, inside our cloud platform that will integrate with you." Then SAP started providing Cloud Foundry environment with SAP Neo environment. So if you want to use infrastructure of SAP or data centers of SAP, then you should use SAP Neo environment. Or if you want to use Amazon, Microsoft, or Google Cloud infrastructures, then you should use Cloud Foundry environment. Cloud Foundry is an application platform as a service. It is governed by Cloud Foundry organization, which provides set of guidelines to implement platform as a service.